Disney stock is up significantly since earlier this year at the height of the pandemic. Recently, they had their Investor Day event, and this was a huge success. The stock price rose 13% in a single day after this event, when the company announced huge numbers for their streaming service Disney Plus, what they have planned moving forward, and how they have even beaten their own expectations and what they thought Disney Plus would be doing for the company. So in today's video, I'm first going to break down exactly what is going on with Disney, this big announcement they had at their Investors Day event, with regards to the streaming service Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Plus, and after that I'm going to go over where I see the stock price in the future. For those of you who are new here, my name is Michael. I'm a 21-year-old investor, entrepreneur, and full-time college student. In the past 30 days, I've made over $175,000 in one of the many investment accounts that I share with you in our private community on Patreon. So if you'd like to know what stocks I'm buying, what stocks I'm selling in my personal investment accounts, you want exclusive content, and pre-release access to each episode of my podcast, The Stock Room, then make sure to join our group using the link down below. Anyways, let's talk about Disney. Disney's stock jumped 13% to a new record of $175 per share after a home run Investor Day event. So, with regards to what went on at this event, after forecasting at an April 2019 rollout about Disney Plus, the company had projected that they would have 60 to 90 million subscribers for their Disney Plus streaming service by 2024. So that's 60 to 90 million. However, at their Investor Day event just a couple days ago, they announced that they already have over 85 million subscribers. So that means they already reached what their predictions were for 2024. And they said that by 2024, now their new projections, they 3x them to 230 to 260 million subscribers by 2024. And to put this into perspective, Netflix currently just has a little over 200 million. Right now, Disney said they have 85 to 90 million subscribers, and by 2024, they're projecting to have 230 to 260 million. They said in addition to this, including their Hulu and ESPN Plus, they should bring the total number of subscription services to 300 to 350 million paying subscribers to their different services. For those of you who don't know, Disney owns a good percentage of Hulu. They own about 60% of Hulu. They own a majority share. Hulu's one of the major streaming companies right now, and that's one of their major revenue sources in their streaming business. However, now with Disney Plus doing much better than expectations, that is going to add on to their new subscriptions. Disney explained how they expect to spend $14 to $16 billion a year by 2024 to help grow their streaming service, to help grow Disney Plus. Currently, they said they're aiming to have 100 new titles, 100 new series, shows every single year. And a number of analysts came out after this event, after the record number for streaming and their new projections. They came out and raised the price target for Disney. Guggenheim, JP Morgan, Deutsche Bank, all these companies raised their price target significantly on Disney moving forward into the next couple of years. However, one of the major things that happened at this Investor Day event doesn't have to do with their streaming, but has to do with the pricing of their streaming. They announced a $1 per month price bump to their Disney Plus subscription. So now it's going from $6.99 a month to $7.99 a month. This may not seem like a big difference, but when you're talking about 90 million subscribers, that's $90 million more of revenue every single month, which is close to $1 billion in additional revenue from their streaming service. They're not changing anything about it other than a $1 price increase. So this is going to be huge for the company moving forward. Moving forward, what I think with Disney is that streaming and content is the way of the future with TV and consuming content. Disney's going to be working on producing 100 new titles every single year, which I think is absolutely crucial. Netflix, one of the main part of their business, is making content exclusively for Netflix. So Disney doing the same thing, working on their content, getting more content on their platform, raising the prices of their subscription, I think is going to really help out Disney into the future. So with regards to me, what I've been doing with Disney, I bought Disney shares earlier this year at about $109 per share. I talked about this in our private group on Patreon. I bought it after the height of the pandemic when all stocks were down, and I got in at a good time. But right now, I still think that Disney is a great buy because of all of their announcements with their streaming service, with parks starting to reopen, the vaccine coming out. I think the next couple of years are going to be huge for Disney. Hulu, ESPN Plus, Disney Plus, all these companies are going to generate significantly more revenue for Disney, as well as their amusement parks, their movies. They have a lot going for them right now. So anyways, that's what's going on with Disney, their Investor Day event. They're raising their price by $1. They have 3 times as many subscriptions as they originally predicted, and by 2024 they're projecting to have 300 to 350 million subscribers across all their streaming services. So anyways, that's what's going on, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to get 4 free stocks, each valued up to $1,600, when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.